This is nice. Welcome to the Be My Neighbor News. I'm your lead anchor, Vernon A. Mortgage, and let's get to the news. Today, we're bringing you a special report from our favorite neighborhood educator, Mr. Byron's Neighborhood. Thanks, Vernon, for that kind introduction. The CFPB, the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, made some more changes in how they report credit last week. They decided that medical bills will no longer be part of your credit reports, which will eradicate almost $49 billion in medical debt and help up to 15 million Americans. Why this matters? Here's what it means. Medical bills are banned from credit reports, so lenders will no longer be able to see your medical bills. This equals better privacy protections. Debt collectors will no longer be able to coerce you into paying bills that you don't have to. Americans could see as much as a 20-point boost in their credit reports once this is implemented. Why did it come about? Medical debt isn't a great indicator if someone's going to repay their loan. Unfair, outdated, and old practices, and gives consumers a fair chance at financial stability. Back to you, Vernon, at the desk. Thank you for that report. This is great news for the American people. In this week's mortgage market forecast, mortgage rates may increase this week depending on inflation data. If inflation shows signs of increasing, concerns may grow that the Fed will not be able to lower its policy rate and may even consider hiking rates later this year. Even if inflation remains stable, it's unlikely to see that mortgage rates will lower from here. What's affecting today's mortgage market? Inflation data. Tuesday brings the wholesale inflation numbers, but it's Wednesday's consumer inflation data that will have the greatest impact on this week's mortgage rates. The Fed. Concerns that the Fed will not be able to lower its policy rate will pressure mortgage rates higher later this year. And the 10-year Treasury yield. If the 10-year Treasury yield gets near 5%, it will push mortgage rates higher. If you have any questions about your VA loan, don't hesitate to reach out. We're licensed in 27 states. Share this so a veteran that needs to see this can. I'm Byron Thomas, a veteran and a loan officer from Be My Neighbor Mortgage. Peace.